Welcome to AlJazari channel, where you will learn dynamics as a primary course for high school and first-year engineering students. The work presented here is based on Engineering Mechanics, Dynamics book written by Hibbler and published by Pearson. Starting with Chapter 12, Kinematics of Particles. The fourth problem. A particle travels along a straight line with a speed v equals 0.5 t to the power 3 minus 8 t meter per second, where t is in seconds. Determine the acceleration of the particle when t equals 2 seconds. We know that the acceleration, a, equals dv by dt equal d 0.5 t to the power 3 minus 8 t by dt equals 1.5 t square minus 8. Substitute by t equal 2. A equal 1.5 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 minus 8 equals negative 2 meters per second square. The negative sign means deceleration. In this video 4 kinematics of particle fundamental problems were solved. In the next video more problems will be solved. So, stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alarm to be notified of the new videos. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so press like and share it. See you again.